Hey Internet, what's up? It's Brian, Arzoid. Thanks for tuning in to Freestyle Friday, episode 36. This one was shot with Rick from Broken Prop Crew. It's an idea that I've had for a really long time, just trying to figure out the logistics of everything, how to actually do it, how to do it safely, make sure I'm doing everything legally, and all that nonsense. But it came out so good, and I have a bunch of more ideas for this. I have, I think, 4 or 5 different actual episodes with different, using the smoke, but in different locations and doing different types of things with it. So we got some more of those coming up in the next few weeks. Before I actually tell you guys how I'm accomplishing this, it's not too hard to figure out, but before I tell you exactly what I'm using and everything, I'm going to hold off and shoot those and edit and release those videos, and then after I'm done with the idea, I'll probably make a Tech Tips Tuesday video and show everybody what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. Right now, these are being triggered manually, so we're triggering them and then taking off. The idea, actually, I'll give you a hint at what in the future videos, is to actually be able to trigger it remotely via the switch. So it's going to be this plus some long range stuff. So that's the idea for a future video.
Nailed that shot, dude! That was sick! Yes! Look at the fucking smoke! Look at that! That's awesome. That's awesome.
Thanks for watching.